even though we understand and recognize that there is a bit of negativity, we react to it positively.
Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a Mind Body Spirit video.
Hello everybody, my name is Suyash. You're watching Mind Body Spirit. Today's Law of Attraction success story is super inspiring. Watch this video till the end. Give this video a like and let's get started with the success story. So today's success story has been sent to me by Satish. Satish has sent it by email and I have named the success story on behalf of Satish 100% exact manifestation. And Satish writes, Dear Suyash, Satish this side. Hope you are doing well. Starting my story with a big thank you. I started my job life in 2015 in a reputed car manufacturing company as an engineer. Due to my mixing and friendly nature, I grasped my work way very soon. I was well known in my office within 1 year, that is by 2016. Everything was going great, but suddenly everything changed. Though I was doing my work more efficiently, still I did not receive any kind of appreciation. I started feeling depressed and lonely as many of my friends either left the organization or due to some misunderstanding started ignoring me. I started to find a new job, but due to the circumstances I could not focus on my preparation well. As a result, I got rejections from many companies and I started losing hope. Years passed the same way. I started losing my health. In brackets he has written, I am a gym lover. But in spite of that, he started to sort of lose his good health. I could not improve my mental state. My income was not improving also. In 4 years, I got a salary hike of rupees 40,000 only. I could not focus on any other work. And then he has put a heading 2020 June. Some friends were still there who always supported me in the bad times. Till the time I was totally unaware of law of attraction. One day while browsing some stuff, I just read one quote. You will get what you want, the universe. So that is, the universe is saying you will get what you want, and that is the quote that he saw. I liked that quote and read more about it. That way I found out about the law of attraction. I was attracted to the law of attraction and searched for more of it. Then I found your channel. I was so attracted by your success story series that on the first day itself I watched at least 30 of them, one after another, and on the same day I wrote down my affirmation as you have mentioned in one of your videos. My affirmation was getting a very good job with an unimaginable salary hike. I also wrote everyone, in brackets HR, my manager and especially my head of department, everyone are requesting me to stay back, but I am just ignoring them. So that was a part of his intention, all that, the really good job, unimaginable salary hike, all that is there. But also he wants that his current company, where he has been so unhappy, the people should request him to stay back and not to leave. All right, let's see what happens. Then it started working. I visualized it regularly and it was so real for me that many times while talking to my other friends, I said, you will see one day these guys will request me to stay, but I will say a big no to their face. He has written no in capital letters. You will see one day these guys will request me to stay, but I will say a big no to their faces. I started watching success stories every day and visualized every day. Finally, the day came, Suyash. I got a call for an interview from India's #1 car manufacturing company. I cracked the interview and you won't believe, Suyash, the salary they offered was around double of my current salary. That too during this pandemic. So he wanted an unimaginable salary hike. He got almost 100% hike. Excellent. The best part, after I resigned, I got 4 calls from my manager, 3 calls from the head of the department, and 6 calls from the HR to stay back and withdraw the resignation. And they were ready to give me compensation and whatever I wanted. But I said no, and he has written it in capital letters, but I said no on every call. So Yash, 3 days before I resigned, 2 of my colleagues resigned, and after leaving within a month, 3 more have resigned. But HR asked only me for the compensation and to stay back. It actually works. So all these other people also quit. I guess that keeps happening in any company, people quit, people come. But being asked to stay back among all of these people happened only with Satish, because it was a very important part of his intention. And then Satish ends the success story with, thank you so much Suyash for showing such a wonderful way to achieve success. Many more stories are to come. Thank you so much. God bless you. You're doing a great job. Regards, Satish. Wow, Satish, what an incredible success story. And having these feelings that once I leave, these people will ask me to stay back. Someone can say that, okay, this may be a little negative. This is not exactly super positive. Well, that's what I say sometimes, that sometimes even negativity, sometimes you're so fed up with the situation that also motivates you. What's important is that in that situation, even though we understand and recognize that there is a bit of negativity, ultimately we see it positively. We react to it positively, exactly what Satish did. As he wrote, the first day he found this channel, he watched 30 success stories and used to watch success stories every day, applied the law of attraction every day. So even though he recognized that there is a bit of negativity in this situation, he reacted to it positively, and look at the result. So what an incredible success story, Satish. Thank you so much for sharing it. To all of you watching this video, let me know down below in the comment section what you think about this success story. I love reading your comments. Give this video a like. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. And to get the maximum benefit out of these law of attraction success stories, watch a few success stories every day. Like Satish did, watch success stories every day, and what will happen is your thought process will change. You will learn how to react positively to negative situations. And as you do that, the speed, the certainty of the results that you get with the law of attraction will considerably improve. And to help you do that, right now on your screen will be the link to a playlist containing all videos of this series that I've posted till now. At this point, there are more than 200 success stories. So go ahead, watch a few more success stories right now. Watch these success stories every day and notice the difference.